Hi all. So today's topic of discussion is 9 tips for Twitter marketing. So these are some of the quick tips and most important tips and a real-time tips which has been used properly and found out that the insights are very good, the engagement rate is very good by using these tips. And most of the businesses got benefited by using these 9 tips. So let me explain you quickly the 9 tips for Twitter marketing, especially for the business or the small business or the startups. So tip number 1, be professional, because when you are typing a tweet or you are when doing a tweet, so make sure that everything goes good, because tweets should be professional. Your tweet is representing a company. The message is from a company on social media channel, not from the person. So even if it's you're doing it, like if a person is doing it, it's not from the personal point of view, it's professional and it is going from a company. So if a tweet is going from a company's profile, then it says that it's the thoughts or speech of the company. So make sure that the tweet is very professional and it should be in business ethics. So always try to keep your tweets in a professional way. Use of hashtags. Using hashtags in the content can generate or attract number of followers for you, and it will increase the impressions, because hashtags will help you out. Like if anyone is searching through the hashtags, then your tweet will come into that and you will get the number of impressions into that. But make sure that when you are doing a tweet, never ever use more than 3 hashtags in your tweet, because what happens when you use more than 3 hashtags, it is looks like more of spammy to get the followers or engagement rate. So it is always suggestible to be limited, like 1 2 3, and try to use the hashtags relevant to your tweet. Don't make it like you're typing it something for Twitter market, you're writing it something for the Twitter marketing and typing hashtag Instagram because the Instagram is trending. So don't do like that. So always try to use the relevant hashtags only. And for an example, like you can tag the locations, or you can put the hashtag location, like if it's from India, like hashtag India or something like that. You can do that to reach more number of audience. If it's a branded, you're tweeting it from a branded company, or you have a brand of your company, then put hashtag your brand name. So this will help you out. Then the campaign hashtags. Campaign hashtag is something, let's say you are launching a new offer on your products. So the offer is like mind boggling. So where the offer you are giving is none of your competitors are giving. Then try to like create a hashtag of your own, like which is relevant to your offer, or like which is relevant to your marketing, and put it like hashtag so and so thing XYZ for this, so or XYZ offer on this. So this like put the hashtag, create an hashtag, and always ask your followers to use that hashtag when they're typing it. So most of the companies have already done it, and they have found very good results when they do a campaign hashtags. So it is suggestible, like to create your own hashtags and go ahead with making a viral on that. So trending hashtags. So every day there are number of trending hashtags on the Twitter. So if the things which are tweeting, which are like doing a tweet, and those are relevant to your trending hashtags, then it is suggestible to use the trending hashtags. Let me give you an example. Like like let's say if you're posting something, or if you're tweeting something on an environmental day or Earth Day, or any festivals, like let's say Christmas or New Year or something, then those are like festivals as well as celebrations, and have hashtags for that. So use those trending hashtags like hashtag Happy New Year, hashtag, so and so thing, hashtag Christmas, Merry Christmas. So you can use those, trending hashtags to get more number of impressions and all these things. At the same time, let's say if there is something trending on entertainment and you are into FMCG segment, or like I mean to say, like you are like, let's say, selling something on the grocery part, and if you are like, let's say, if you buy a biscuit packet, then you have an offer of another biscuit packet, but there is a trending hashtag of entertainment industry, like some XYZ movie. So by, like you want to tweet like, if you buy one biscuit packet, then you have another biscuit packet free. So putting the trending hashtag XYZ movie is irrelevant. So never do that, because this is something crazy. Trending hashtags, even if you are putting, it should be relevant to your tweet. Always try to add some images or video to your tweet, because this makes sense and it helps you out to, give more boost to your tweet. And by looking at the image or the video, your follower or the user is definitely able to understand what exactly you want to tweet and what exactly you want to say. And even, as per research, the tweets with images and videos get more impressions rather than, like a normal tweet. Engage with polling. So let's say you would like to engage your audience. Try to create some polls. Try to create some polls in, tweet. You by doing a tweet. Like, let's say, you have, you are into fitness industry, or you are into, IT industry, IT hardware industry, you sell laptops. So then create some polls, like, which laptop features you have liked it, or you are into mobile phones, so which the mobile phone is better, like, XYZ mobile phone or ABC mobile phone. Try to create some polls. So through polls you can create, more number of engagement. Brand voice or message, whatever, like you're typing or doing a tweet, think in terms of your brand and follow the Twitter strategy accordingly. And the tweet message, it should be original, unique, and it should convey the message correctly. Because if anything goes wrong from your Twitter, that means it will reflect your company's brand name or the brand voice. So it is important to understand your company's brand values, brand ethics, and brand identity. Accordingly, you have to do a tweet. Have conversations with your followers. So engaging your followers, like discussing with your audience, having a fruitful conversation, healthier conversation with them will definitely give you more results. And you should not argue with your customers, even if, there are some negative impacts, then you should be happy to, get those impacts, and how to resolve those things. You should think on that and have fruitful conversation with your followers, so that it will increase your brand name as well as more engaging on Twitter platform. The last but the not least, that promote. You should, go ahead with some paid tweets to reach to the mass level of audience or target audience, or, like through your Twitter paid ads, you can reach number of audience and it will reach to the target audience. Why paid tweets? Because when you might have a question like, like I'm doing all the above 8 points perfectly, then why do I need the 9 point promote? Because even if you do 8 points correctly, there are chances that you are missing, and you are missing to reach, a target audience. So paid tweets will help you out to reach a huge number of audience. It will help you out to give a competitive edge. It will help you out to generate leads by promoting to the right audience at the right time. So let us make a quick summary of the 9 tips. So these are the 9 tips. Be professional, use hashtags, don't be spammy, campaign hashtags, create some campaign hashtags, trending hashtags, use trending hashtags which are relevant to your tweet, add images or videos to your tweet, engage with polling, brand voice or message should be very careful because it's your brand. Have conversation with your followers and it should be a healthier conversation. Try to do some paid tweets. So these are the quick tips, 9 tips for your Twitter marketing. And the next video will go through these 9 tips with some practical things like how we will be doing it on the Twitter platform. Hope you have understood like these 9 quick tips and try to implement these tips. Surely you will get very good results through Twitter marketing. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Pi-MSquare Academy. If you really like the content, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the notification, as well as follow us on our social media channels to stay updated on various topics and updates and tips. Thanks a lot for watching the video.